how to set up Wix email box. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on add elements, and then you're gonna have to simply go to contact and forms, and then go to subscribe, and then here you're gonna have to simply choose any of these templates, and basically here people can subscribe to your email list. So as you can see here, if you want, you can edit the form, then you have some settings. So basically you can change the form, you can change the layout, design, and here you can manage basically. Now if you want to get access to all the email list, you're gonna have to click on edit form, then you're gonna get redirected to your dashboard, and then here you're gonna have the submissions. So here you're gonna find all type of submissions. So even if you add a form to your Wix website and the people are leaving messages to you, you're gonna be able to see them right there. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.